Hello, Wolfpack. This is Stephanie Edwards with NCSU Weather. Now, we saw a lot of beautiful spring-like weather this weekend, and now it's finally beginning to feel like fall again. And you're probably wondering, is this fall weather here to stay? And you may be wondering if there's a chance of rain in our future, and we'll get to that. But first off, we're going to take a look at what we should expect to see today. Now, there'll be plenty of clouds in the sky, but not a chance of rain, but fairly cloudy, so you may not need those sunglasses, but you might want to grab a jacket as you're leaving this morning. Temperatures around 8 a.m. this morning will be around 45 degrees, only warming up to about 53 by noon. And as the day progresses, it'll warm up a little bit, but only getting to about 55 degrees by 4 o'clock this afternoon. And now, these cooler temperatures are more than likely caused by this high pressure system to the northeast of us. It's causing what we call cold air damming, which is essentially when the cold air is getting pushed against the Appalachian Mountains. And tomorrow, this high pressure system will begin to move east of us, causing the cold air damming to weaken a bit. And that'll bring in warmer temperatures, and we'll see some moisture coming in, which will bring about few chances of showers. We also want to keep an eye on this cold front to the west of us, as this will affect our weather the beginning of next week. So for tonight, we expect partly cloudy skies and some calm winds with temperatures getting down to around 40 degrees. Tomorrow, plenty of clouds in the sky once again, but warmer temperatures than what we're seeing today, with a high of around 64 degrees. Taking a look at our 5-day forecast, today we should expect the high to get to around 56 degrees, and we'll see a high of about 64 degrees on Friday and Saturday with a chance of rain on both days. On Saturday, we should see about a 30% chance of showers throughout the day, with the cold front passing through this day as well. And this cold front will cause the temperatures on Sunday to get only to about 43 degrees. And that high will stay in the 40s again on Monday, only getting to around 46 degrees. With NCSU Weather, this is Stephanie Edwards. Have a great day.